Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, discuss 30 plus MCQ. 1. A material that is slightly repelled by a magnet is called. Diamagnetic materials have a weak, negative susceptibility to magnetic fields. 2. A current is passed through a coil wound over soft iron core. What is the classification of magnet? Electromagnet. 3. The size of an insulated cable is specified by the A. Diameter of cable. B. Cross sectional area of conductor. C. Length of the conductor. D. Number of strands of conductor. B. Cross sectional area of conductor. 4. What is the unit of stress in SI unit? N per square meter, Newton per square meter. 5. One of the terms relating to the motion of the body is acceleration. State the definition of association. Acceleration of a body is defined as the rate of change of its velocity with time. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second. 2. 6. A manometer is used to measure pressure in pipes. 7. Which non-ferrous metal is reddish in color? The common alloys made of red metal are copper, brass, and bronze. 8. What is the magnetic field of a magnet? Magnetic field is the region around a magnetic material or a moving electric charge within which the force of magnetism acts. 9. Which ferrous metal possesses the property of brittleness? Cast iron. 10. Which quantity of electricity causes the flow of electron in a conductor? Voltage. The force that acts on the electrons to make them move in a certain direction is known as electromotive force. 11. In which wiring system the sheathed cable is used? The lead sheathed wiring system. 12. What is the other name for common collector amplifier? The common collector amplifier is also known as an emitter follower. 13. Bulbs get fuse in one of the fault in lightning circuit. What would be the reason if all the bulb get fuse at a time? Fusing occurs due to overflow of current beyond the rated current value. 14. What is the additional advantage of flexible conductor? Increased service life due to high level of flexibility. 15. Name the type of thermostat used in refrigerator. There are two main types of thermostats in refrigeration: the adjustable standard thermostat for wall mounting and the refrigerator thermostat. 16. What is the reason for insufficient heating of hot water in storage water heater? Broken thermostat or heating element, but it can also be caused by an incorrect setting. 17. Which material used for marking armoring is? Galvanized steel wire or steel tape. 18. The surface of a workplace with high and low fault has to be equalized by filling. Which filling method you? Diagonal filling. 19. What is the application of an electrolytic aluminium capacitor? Power supplies and computer motherboards. 20. In India, HT consumer are supplied with high voltage. Normally this supply voltage will be supplied at a voltage of 11,000 volts or higher. If any query, comment box is yours. Thanks for watching video.